channel. If you don't know, my name is Nikki and thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be the first video of my prom series. I know that prom does come around May, so I did want to do probably, I'm thinking 4 different types of prom looks, maybe 5, I don't know. But this is the first prom look that I did come up with. It's a little bolder. This would look great with, you know, like a white dress, a champagne nude, even a gold dress, even black. This would look great. This is the first look that I did. I do want to do different types. I want to do more of a natural kind of sultry look if you're wearing, you know, like a bright color dress, or I don't know, just I want to do like different types of look. I know that like blue is in right now because of Kim Kardashian, you know what I'm saying? So cobalt blue, is that how you say it, is in. So I might do a look like that. I don't know, I just want to do a bunch of different type of looks. But yeah, this is the first look that I came up with, and if this is something that you're interested in, then please just keep on watching. So I already did my brows and I'm going in with my Amrezy highlighter. I did also conceal my lids. Now I'm going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette and taking this color and using that as my transition shade. Going in with a deeper red, I'm going to put that all over my crease as well. This is just to deepen up the crease. I'm just making sure that it's all blended and super smoked out. Now going in with that bright orange from my Morphe 350 palette, and I'm just using that to brighten up the look. I'm leaving my center lid empty because I'm going to go in later with glitter and I don't want a bunch of orange right there. Taking my Kylie concealer, I am, I guess, cutting my crease, but it doesn't have to be perfect. And I'm just doing the center lid. I'm ultimately just cleaning up the lid space so I can go on with glitter and it will be more vibrant. You do want to smudge it out with your fingers because you don't want it to be super precise. Now taking this light orange, I am just taking a flat, fluffy brush and dispersing that all over my lid. Now on a fluffy angle brush, I'm taking that bright orange and just putting it on the outside corners. This is just to blend in the light orange with the bright orange. And I'm just doing the same thing to the other eye. Now taking my NYX glitter glue, I'm just putting that on my finger and putting it all over my lid. Now taking that top gold shade, it's NYX glitter, I'm just dispersing that all over my lid and focusing most of it on the center. Now taking my MAC strobe cream, I'm just putting that everywhere I would normally highlight. I did also prep my skin with the Smashbox primer, and also I did put a moisturizer under that as well. Now going in with my Born This Way foundation in the shade Warm Nude. I'm just pouncing that all over my face with a beauty blender. Now taking my Kylie concealers, I'm going to use that to highlight and conceal under my eyes. I do use two shades. One is a little bit darker than the other, or I wouldn't say darker, it's just a little more peachy. And I do tend to focus that one under my eyes and then top it with the more lighter yellow shade. Now I'm just blending that in with my beauty blender as well. You guys, I'm obsessed with these concealers. They are so easy to blend, dewy. They're just, if you guys have dry skin, you should definitely check these out. Now I'm setting my under eyes with a brightening powder. It was one from the drugstore. I don't recommend it. I think it was the Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's seriously awful. I hate the way it made my under eyes look. But now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder and I'm setting the rest of my face. This is also drugstore, but this one is literally amazing. 10/10 recommend. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay Chill setting. Wow, I didn't even show that, but I set my face because I was looking super powdery. Then I'm taking my Profusion Contour Kit, and this was only $5. The shades are kind of chalky, but if you're on a budget, girl, you can make this work. I got it at TJ Maxx, by the way. Now going back in with my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just cutting my cheeks and my nose. Now taking my NYX matte bronzer on a fluffy brush, and I'm just dispersing that where my contour was. This is just to make my skin look more tan and warmer. I also use this to blend in the contour on my chin. Now taking my Pure Cosmetics Amazing Glow Blush. It's my favorite blush. Taking my, I think that was the first shade I used in the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just rubbing that all over my lower lash line. Now taking my Anastasia highlight and going back in to my inner corners and under my brow, and removing that banana powder with a large kabuki brush. You guys, I've had this brush for years and it's an e.l.f. brush. Can you believe? Now going in with my Amrezy highlight and just highlighting my cheekbones, and I do go in on my forehead, my nose, my cupid's bow, and my chin. Taking my Chill setting spray and setting my face. I did show it this time. Now going in with my Dubai lashes. I applied those off camera. Now taking my Dose of Colors. This is a Desi Katie collab. This is the shade Hot Fire. And that is it. Okay guys, so that is it for this look. I did put some black liner in my waterline, and I also outlined my lips with a dark brown liner. I thought I was recording while I was doing it, but you know, I forgot to hit record, so I'm so sorry. I just felt like I needed to deepen up this look just a little bit, especially for people who are going to prom and there's going to be flash photography. You do want that little bit of, it doesn't change the look, but it kind of just deepens it up. You know what I'm saying? I hope that makes sense. If you're going to prom this year, girl or boy, whatever, I hope that you guys have the best time. Have fun. Do not engage in drama. Don't let anybody ruin your prom night. But yeah, I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. If you did, please like it down below and also subscribe to my channel because it means so much to me. Is that what I say? No, that's not what I say. This is what I say. Please subscribe to my channel because it just makes me so happy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.